Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Today we will see in company law or business organization important topic, that is how to incorporate a company, incorporation of company or registration of company. So total steps we have seen. First one is promotion in the last class, how to promote the company. So who are the promoters, how we can appoint them, what kind of promoters are they, that we have seen. Second step of any company organization is that incorporation, or otherwise we can say it as a registration of a company. How we can register it? There are different process, different procedure is there, step by step you need to follow, because this is under the Companies Act 1913. As per the Companies Act, it is already registered in the company registration offices in New Delhi. So there you need to register any company, it's a private company or public company, you need to register that company. How to register it? So how to incorporate? Unless you get a certificate of incorporation, certificate of incorporation, that is must. Unless you get the certificate, you cannot start the business, you cannot start your company. So how to get that is a certificate of incorporation? For that, this is the procedure. After this procedure, you will be allotted certificate of incorporation, then you can start your business. It is a identity that your company is identified as a specific person. So that power of attorney, everything will be given to you after completion of all this process. What is this process? We'll see. First step is that application for approval of name. You have to apply for the approval of the name of the company. You can take any name for your company, but it should not resemble any country name or government related or otherwise already existing company name. You are not supposed to take any different name. You can take, you can have it, you can take names of 6 names, 6 list you can give, 6 names you can give. Out of this, the company register office will see which one is comfortable. Like first name, preference is given to the first name. If it is okay, everything is fine, no objection, then they'll allot it. If not, second name, third name, like this. Options you are giving 6, means there is no chance of failure. You can choose the company name as per your wish, but out of 6 they are going to allot one name. So 6 names, and you need to apply within 7 days, and the registration of the name will be within 3 months. You have to register everything within 3 months. Once if the name is allotted, suppose say today name is allotted, within 3 months you have to complete all the formalities of incorporation. If not, it will be cancelled. The process, everything is cancelled. Once again you have to start the procedure of incorporation. So within 3 months you need to. So this is about application for approval of the name. Once the name is allotted, then next thing you have to be careful about is preparation of Memorandum of Association. Memorandum of Association is one of the important document. So in this document you are going to mention all the details related to the company, inside of the company. So how the company is going to handle the things, and who are the company underwriters, and who are the company directors, what kind of links are there with the company, with the outsiders, all these things, detailed information you will be writing in the Memorandum of Association, one of the important document. So we'll discuss about this in future in detail. So anyway, remember, second thing is that you have to prepare Memorandum of Association. So this is going to talk about the objects and scope and relation with outside world. What is the object? What is the scope of the organization? Why they have started? Everything, the main important details, and the relation with outside world. Who are the outsiders? How they are going to be involved in the organization? This everything is going to detailedly explained by the Memorandum of Association. Second one. After that, preparation of Articles of Association. Articles of Association, this is also one of the very much important document. So in Articles of Association, you will be talking about the company rules and regulations. So you are going to decide, means company is going to decide about the company rules and regulations. So how they wanted to start, with what capital they wanted to start, who are the company directors, like in detail information they will be mentioning in the Articles of Association. This talks about the rules and regulations related to the internal management, internal. So this is with outside world. Memorandum of Association is with outside world, general rules and regulations. So Articles of Association is decided by the company for internal management. Means how many people will be acting as a directors, how much shares they have to buy, and who are the auditors. Internally whatever they wanted to do, all these things they'll be deciding over there only, where preparation of Memorandum of Association and also in the Articles of Association. These two are very important documents. We'll talk about this separately in separate session. And fourth one is that preparation of other documents apart from these two. First one is application of approval of name. Second one, Memorandum of Association. Third one, Articles of Association. Then after that, other documents. What are the other documents? So one is power of attorney. Someone would be given that power of attorney. Generally the lawyers or company director, someone is identified and they will be given power of attorney. To whom you are giving power of attorney, that we must mention in this document. Power of attorney document is to be submitted. There we are going to mention the power of attorney, means main powers, to whom you are giving, who is going to act. So that is to be mentioned in this document. Second one is that consent of directors. Consent of directors. Who are the company directors? Are they willing to work as directors? First directors, they will be the first directors. So their consent, willfully and freely, without any kind of objection and without any force, it's their wish and they are willing to work as directors. So that declaration is required, that is consent of directors. Once if it is over, the next document is that particulars of directors. Particulars of directors means exactly their name, age, location, phone number, address, everything must be mentioned in this document. That is particulars of the directors, because in future something is required. The company, a register of company is going to contact these people only. So that is why their particulars has to be filled clearly. Then after that, affidavit by the subscribers and first directors. First directors means who are appointed as the directors of the organization. So there and subscribers, who are the beginning subscribers, both of them has to submit the affidavit. Affidavit means, you know, in the court of law it is available. If you go to any court, if you ask affidavit means they'll register, they'll give you affidavit paper. So there they are going to give the declaration that they are going to work in this company, they are willfully working, their consent and everything should be mentioned very clearly in the affidavit. So that is affidavit by the subscribers and the first directors. Then after this document, address for communication. Not only the directors, company address clearly. The company address must be clearly mentioned, so that in future communication point of view it will be very easy. And this communication, address communication, it should be within 15 to 30 days. After allotment of this name, 15 days, after 15 days, between 30 days. So they have to mention this. If they don't mention, once again it has to be cancelled and once again they have to proceed everything. So that is why between this period they have to mention the address of the company for communication point of view. And another important thing is that statutory declaration. Statutory declaration document is also very much important. In the company, who are the main key roles playing by the other members, just like advocates, company secretaries, CA, company secretary means CS, CA and company main auditors. So all these people, they have to give this statutory declaration. What is written in that statutory declaration means everything is properly followed, all the documents submitted are fair and nothing is fault and nothing is false information is given, everything is true as per our knowledge. Like they'll give a declaration. Who are they? CS, CA and main auditors and also the company lawyers, they are going to submit this statutory declaration with signature. Then these are the documents, other documents apart from this. Then after that, payment of fee. Every company for registration, every process wise, this incorporation is not going to complete in 1 day or 2 days, different stages wise. Every stage wise they need to pay some amount which is demanded by the registrar of the company. So stage wise they have to pay the fee amount, whatever is required. So once if they may make the payment of the fee, then after that, in between that, they will be checking out all the documents which are submitted by the company, and the registrar of company is going to study about the company, means which company has applied for incorporation. So that company details, everything they study. If they find everything is true and genuine and they are eligible to start a company, then they'll give this incorporate certificate. Incorporate certificate, very important. After getting this incorporate certificate, within 1 month they can start their business, they can declare themselves. So they got an identity that it's a artificial person, company is an artificial person. We have studied the company characters in the beginning class. So company is an artificial person. How? Got the some identity, that is incorporate certificate. Certificate of incorporation, you can see. I'll give you on the desktop, you can see simple or normal way how the certificate is made, so that you can see on the desktop. So this is the specimen of certificate of incorporation. Government of India, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Registration of Companies, New Delhi, Certificate of Incorporation. In the beginning they mentioned about the company rules section and all these things. Then after that, I hereby certificate that so and so company is incorporated on the 8th day of December, means on which day, and 2015 under Companies Act 2013, and that the company is limited by shares, and the company is so and so given under my hand at New Delhi this day of December 2015, set by Registrar of Companies and New Delhi. So this is about the company. This is just for a formal way of starting the company. So that I have shown you. So in that way you have to get the first certificate of incorporation, very important. So after this, next third step will go. So did you follow this? Registration of the company, incorporation of company. How to remember this? I'll tell you simple tips. Point wise you remember. First point is that application for approval. Second one, Memorandum of Association. Third one, Articles of Association. Then fourth one, other documents. What are the other documents? You can remember it. Power of attorney and consent of directors, particulars only related to the directors only. So first one is power of attorney and consent of directors and particulars of directors, affidavit by subscribers and first directors, address for communication and statutory declaration. So these are the other documents. After that, payment of fee, then simple incorporate certificate. These points you remember it like this. And inside matter anyway you can write it. Main point by point you have to write it in the exam. So remember it. It is useful if you work as an employee of any company. So this procedure is required, must know. So hope the class is useful. Shortly I'll come up with some more topics, and of course there are many more subjects already I have covered. Please check out the description box or otherwise playlist of our channel, and don't forget to share these videos, because with lot of care, with lot of energy and time I'm preparing it for you all. So the main purpose is studies are easy. This is the motto. So study well, have a bright future. Good luck.